Ezenwa used to trade on fabric. So he wanted to show me that he's still capable to measure 1 yard only with his arms.
Abba boy. Well, how many yards are you taking? 2 years. Huh? 2. Let's see. Well, you have grown since you did this last now. Huh? Are you sure?
He was very confident with the measurement, but was struggling a bit with the tearing parts.
Hey, don't pull out your teeth. You are controlled. Don't cheat. Let's see. 1. Hey, almost. Generous. See, you have grown. You have grown. Because you're not the one selling, you're the one buying.